Jeep Nation, welcome back to the channel. So the drone, I think the drone hit that tree, like right there. I don't think it's gonna end well. I'm the blue dot, the drone is the red arrow. It's somewhere up there. Everything looks kinda sorta okay. Oh, no. This is, it might still work. There's kind of sort of two outcomes at play right now. Either A, the drone will fly, or B, it won't. This propeller was kind of sort of broken. This one was sort of broken, and this one was kind of, and this one appears to be fine. If this drone goes up in the air, DJI, take all my money. Here we go. No way! What? As you might say, now we're rolling. Very cold. We're here at around 10,000 feet in the sky above the beautiful state of Utah. In a weird sequence in the vlog, I'm actually headed to Budapest. Like in today's video, we're going to Hungary. I know, odd, but McLaren invited me to test drive the new McLaren 600 LT. So in 5 hours, I gotta get to the airport and catch a flight halfway around the world. But I felt like Jeep Nation, we hadn't done anything cool. I want to do that someday though. What? That looks so, it looks so scary and so cool at the same time. It also looks very, very cold. Do you see those weather towers right there? And then do you see that plane? That plane like right there? That's my plane. We're headed there in 3, 2, 1. Welcome! Are you guys okay? Curious. I hope you guys are okay. Please, please, please be okay. Are you guys okay? You took a little bit of a tumble, but it looks like you're okay anyways. Clearly that intro didn't go as planned. Welcome here to Budapest and welcome to the Hungaroring. If that little fiasco like 12 seconds ago would have broke the camera, I would have flew halfway across the world. Yeah, I gotta be more careful. I'll be the first to admit that I don't know everything about the 600 LT, but luckily McLaren has created this little information sheet, if you will, on that board to let us know exactly why the 600 LT is cool. Well, we know it's cool. The 600 LT, it's 100 kilograms lighter than the 570S. Now McLaren created this like little poster board for us to let us know exactly how they save the weight. Alloy wheels, 17 kilograms. So for the American folks watching this video, 100 kilograms is roughly 220 pounds, give or take. The carbon fiber racing seats, 21 kilograms, and if you get the optional Senna seats, another 3.6 kilograms. These are the Senna seats right here, ultra lightweight. Also, no air conditioning, 12.6 kilos, that's like 25 pounds. This 600 LT is pretty much spec to the max. It's missing one very important option, and that is the snorkel. If you're getting a 600 LT, trust me, get the snorkel. It's 30,000 bucks. It's the best 30,000 bucks you'll ever spend. Win in life, if you can get a snorkel, get a snorkel. Also, carbon louvers, that's a good thing. Got the carbon side skirt right here. And then check out these exhaust tips. Are you kidding me? These are like, this is basically 2 flamethrowers. So if you get a 600 LT, you're also getting some flamethrowers. Flames from like here to here. If you haven't seen them on Instagram, go check them out. Maybe today we might see some flames. No promises, we might. In 5 minutes, I'm gonna hop in a 570S. We're gonna go around the Hungaroring, I think about 5 laps or so, kind of to get like a baseline, because obviously the 600 LT is kind of the track-oriented version of the 570S. So we're gonna hop in the 570, 5 laps, and then we're gonna hop in the 600 LT, 5 laps. The only goal today is to not crash. So I'm about to walk into the technical briefing right now, and I think that's probably what they're gonna tell me. Technical briefing is like right in there, but we had to check out this Senna. Look at this color. It's got these like blue accents, kind of a cool touch. You got the blue calipers as well. This thing is ridiculous. You got the purple 720 as well. And Girth Nation, you are just having yourselves a day. Also, you see those stairs up there? My Hungarian's a little bit weak. I didn't see any no trespassing signs, so I just kind of assume. Sometimes in life it's easier to apologize than it is to ask, but now I'm picturing like this. Anyways, the Senna looks so ridiculous. Also, there's a creepy water park way out there. We got the go-kart track, and we have the home straightaway of the Hungaroring. I'd reckon the 600 LT can do about 165 to 170 miles an hour down this home straightaway. Okay, so my technical briefing is in 5 minutes, but I said that like 5 minutes ago, so we gotta roll. This will be the second time ever I've driven a car on a track. The first time was in a Cayman GTS. This is in a 600 horsepower McLaren, so the risk is a little bit higher, but the reward is also higher, so yeah, here we go. All the McLaren guys are doing the last minute shakedown on the 600 LTs, and then it's my turn. We are out here on a Formula 1 track in the middle of Eastern Europe. Like, who would have ever thought? This is crazy. This is the first time I've ever been to a press event, and I'm hooning a 600 LT around a racetrack. A good day. Base MSRP is 185,000 pounds. These are all the options. We're looking at around 240,000 pounds. If I put that car into the ditch, it's gonna be an expensive day. If you want air conditioning, that's a no-cost option on your 600 LT. Check that out, boys. Moving on up. I can only imagine what my insurance agent would be thinking if they knew I was hooning a 600 LT around a racetrack in the middle of Eastern Europe. If you work for State Farm, today's video is effectively over. It's definitely over. I definitely am not gonna go hoon a 240,000 pound McLaren around a track. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Wait for it. The sound of this new 600 LT is absurd. That's 150, 170. Honestly, I have no idea what that means in miles per hour, but it's quite quick. I mean, I'm an idiot behind the wheel of his car right now, and yet I feel so connected to the road. The final turn to the home stretch in 3, 2, 1, hit it. That's 160, 190. There's 200, come on, baby, come on. That's 240, on the brakes, on the brakes. Oh my goodness, the brakes. Goodness gracious, the brakes. The back end just got a little shaky right there. Sam's thinking to himself, what am I doing with this idiot right now? But we're good. McLaren's got us covered. Never lift full set. Okay, never mind. We're gonna be on the brakes actually, so we're gonna lift. We're gonna lift. There we go though. This is only the second time I've ever driven on a racetrack. I was in Florida at Sebring, and now I'm in Hungary of all places, driving a 600 LT. Who would have ever thought? Ironically, I'm getting kind of hungry. Anyway, sorry. I've been wanting to use that joke the entire time, being in Hungary, yeah. Moving on in the vlog. Just before I took this car out, Jonny Lieberman from Motor Trend took this exact same car out. Go check out his video because he's much smarter and a much better driver than me. So go check that out. I'll put a link to it in the description below. There goes the 600 LT, see you later. 100 less kilograms, 30 more horsepower, more carbon fiber, more aero, just needs a snorkel, and it would be set. So we are now headed back to the hotel, so just like that. There you have it, our day here at the Hungaroring is over. Also, by the way, all that cool like driving footage and drone footage, I didn't film that. Not that that needed to be said, I think it was probably assumed, but we're hopping in the van and we're going to the hotel, which is like right there and then up and then kind of like right there, but like 100 miles. Casual 720 just sitting on the street. We're here at the Ritz-Carlton. Fun fact, I'm staying at the penthouse, which is right there. Hotel key cards are special 600 LT cards. But once you guys see this room, you are gonna lose it. Wait for it, wait for it. We are living it up, boys, here at the Ritz-Carlton. We got this 143 scale 600 LT, and we got water. I cannot think right now. The jet lag has caught up. I have dinner in 3 hours. It's a steak dinner. I shouldn't go to sleep, but sometimes in life, Welcome back to Utah. So honestly, like, this is current moment. I was in Budapest like 2.5 weeks ago. The embargo was just lifted, so I can post my trip to Budapest now. So this is current day. You're watching this video today. I filmed this like today. Now the 570 is not here in the garage right now. It's up at Makes and Models right now, and that's because next video, the exhaust is being installed right now. We should see flames from here all the way to Budapest. I wanted to kind of finish off today's video with sort of like a conclusion on the new 600 LT. It's faster, it's more nimble, it looks better, it brakes better than a 570S. That being said, when I was at the Hungary, I got 10 laps in the car. There was an instructor next to me the entire time, and then the footage you guys saw, that was 1 lap with a cameraman next to me, and that was kind of sort of it. So honestly, like, I don't even really remember driving the car. I mean, I remember driving the car, but I was so focused on not crashing the thing and listening to the instructor tell me what to do. I've never driven really on a track before, that I didn't really get like a great feel for the car. I own a 570S, and I don't really track that car that much. I drive it on the road. So for me to compare a 570 that I drive on the road every single day to driving a 600 LT on a Formula 1 track, it's not really like the most fair comparison. I mean, the 600 LT, like, if you have the means to pick up the car, absolutely do it. The crazy thing is that a well-optioned 600 LT is like approaching 720S money. Now the 570S to 600 LT is an amazing car, but the 720, boys, like, I mean, if you're going for raw performance, the 720 is like just an unbelievable car. There was a bunch of other automotive YouTubers that were also invited by McLaren to the Hungary ring. They weren't there when I was there, like there were different sessions. So I was not there with all the other YouTubers. I was in a different session. Go watch all their videos. Their videos are gonna be much, much better videos, because I don't really do car reviews. Go watch their videos. They're much better. Anyways, that is going to end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.